Hello you guys, this is Artist Girl again. If you're joining me, that means you want to know how to draw or color with Crayola markers. And there is somewhat of a trick, and I'm gonna be showing you guys different ways that I do it personally. It's not the correct, like you must do it this way, because I'm not the creator of the Crayola, so you will have to ask them. But this is my way of doing it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys different types of ways to do it. So the first one is just gonna be layering. So it's pretty much just putting the lightest color and then just building from there, and just continue to the mid-tone, like middle color, then the darkest. I don't know, I want to say mid-tone, but I don't know how you say those. And that's why you're gonna be seeing me doing an eye. I don't know why I keep doing eyes. That's like everything I do is just an eye and an eye and an eye. Illuminati. I'm just kidding, no. But for real, it's gonna be a anime eye. So hopefully you like it, and it's pretty much just layering. So go with the lightest color, and then on where you see highlights, or if you want to blend, put the second color next, and then the third color, but you have to go back and forth. So it's like the lightest color, then the second second lightest tone, and then go back to the first lightest tone, and then go first and then second and then third lightest tone, and then go back to the second lightest tone and then the first lightest tone. So it's like a row, so you have to keep doing that again and again and again until you have what you want, until you have like the darkest areas be darker and the lightest areas be lighter. And the other thing is using the paper. So this paper that I use, you can see it doesn't tear as much as any regular paper, and it's a magic paper. Okay. Not really, but I did got it, but I don't remember where I got it from, because I don't know, some people from their what's it called, like a company's printing paper or something, and they were throwing it away because they were moving. So I just got it, and it works for those markers. But it's regular paper that is for like cards, like a thank you card or a happy birthday card. It's those types of cards that they printed on. I don't know if you can actually get them like blank paper like that, but if you can, then that will be a perfect one to use, because that's what I'm using. Or you can just buy card paper and then just draw on the other side, but I don't know where they sell those ones. It's very, very weird. I should look it up and see, or ask them where they bought them from, because it was cool. And that's what I use. And you're gonna see me doing the realistic eye. Well, not really realistic, because come on, who has green eyes like that? And yeah, it's just pretty much me blending semi-realism with somewhat realism. I don't know, but I'm trying my best. But just keep doing that. So put the lightest, and then the second to lightest, then go back to the lightest, and then go back to the second to lightest, and make it darker. And then when you get to the darker one, put the third darkest, and then go back to the first lighter. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it keeps going back and forth. So yeah, just continue to do the whole just going back and forth until you have the perfect color that you want. And that's how I do it. And you can actually, so the things that you're gonna need like to do that, you can actually use an eraser. I did not know that you could do that until I was like, I wonder if you can erase it, because I made the eye, the inside, what's it called, not the pupil, the white area. there's a name for that. But I make it too dark. As you can see right now, it's like really dark. It looks like black, but it's actually supposed to be grayish or something, but I wanted to make it gray / white, but it just turned completely black. But you can actually use an eraser. That was like a shocker. I bought those erasers on Dollar Tree because I'm cheap like that. So yeah, so that's all you need, okay? That's all you need. So go back where it's too dark, just erase it with the regular erasers. I did not know that you could do that, but that was awesome. And yeah, continue doing that. Yeah, so yeah, I keep saying yeah. Okay, well, continue watching this. I'm gonna be showing you guys different ways as well to do with drawing with Crayola markers or painting or whatever. Either by stippling, that's another way that I saw like someone else do. That's a great way. I was like, OMG, it popped in my head. I was like, oh, you can actually do that. I totally forgot about it. I'm like, we did that in school. How can I forget that we could do that with markers? But yeah, it's like the stippling, and you do that, and also with watercolors, since they are water based, so you can use them as watercolors. So I'm gonna be doing those as well, and just showing you different types of or ways that you can do it. But the first one, which is this video, it's gonna be just layering. So going with the lightest and all the way to the darkest one, and that's what you guys saw or still seeing right now, because I don't know if it's already over or not. I don't know. Yeah, and the good thing is that I bought the markers that are like a lot. I think they're like the 50 ones, but I just did that because they have more variety of colors, and you can have like more green and more things, and the blending will be much easier that way. But you guys can just buy any, I guess. Well, until later. Bye.